Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a request made by one of my subscribers, Chrissy. She asked if I could explain how to cinch this MCM tote bag. It's a little bit tricky and a little bit of a process. And when I first picked up this bag, I had such a struggle trying to figure it out. And so I really appreciate the request, Chrissy, and I will do my best to explain it. I also was really confused as to why this little clip was on the exterior of the bag. And over time, I figured out what this was for. So if that's something you would like to find out, as well as how to cinch the MCM tote bags, then just keep watching. All right, so first let's start with how I cinch this bag. And let me take that off to keep from distracting. So as you can see, it's already been cinched. So this is what it looks like cinched. It has this kind of trapezoidal shape to the bag. If you're familiar with the Louis Vuitton Neverfull, it does the exact same thing, and it just kind of makes the bag a little bit smaller. It also allows the bag to have a little bit more security because there is no snap on the top. So it is quite nice to cinch the bag, and I cinch it quite frequently. I feel like the larger bag, this is the size medium, the larger bag is a little easier to cinch in my opinion. But the medium size is what I've been toting lately, and I love the size medium. And so I wanted to show you how I've been cinching it. So first I line up as much as possible so they're even and it hangs evenly on the side, and then I just cinch it as much as I want. And I do manipulate the side of the bag a little bit, especially because this is a newer bag. Over time, this will get softer and more malleable, and it won't be so hard to cinch. Initially, when you first get a bag, it's a little bit stiff and hard to manipulate. So keep that in mind. It will get better with time. It's like a wine. It ages well, or a cheese. Same with this side. I just kind of line it up, cinch it to where I want, manipulate it there, and then what I do is I take the inside where the clip is and I cinch it there. So that's what I do. So let me just tuck this in so you can see. So then once you're happy with how the outside is cinched, just cinch it where you want it, cinch it where you want it, then you go ahead and cinch on each side. So you can have it as cinched as you want or as loose as you want. So if I wanted this tighter, I would pull it here to tighten it on the outside, and it's going to pull the inside smaller as well, if that makes sense. So then when you're done, you're like, I don't want it cinched. You just take that off and you're back to a regular tote. So if you leave this as is, it's a lot easier to put it back when you want to close it. So then you're ready to close your bag. It stays there. You just clip it on and you're ready to go. So it does add a little element of safety to the bag as well. And let me show you real quick what that looks like. So hopefully you can see it's been cinched. So it adds that trapezoidal shape to the bag, which is great. Okay. And then it adds that security. So now no one can get in your bag. Especially if you have the size large, it's just a big bag. You may prefer to cinch it just to make it a little smaller. I love mine in the large size and I use it a lot, but I've just been using this a little bit more often lately, probably because it's new and it's pink. So next I'm going to share the somewhat secret of why this is on the exterior of the bag. And I've got to say, it kind of drove me nuts for a while, trying to figure out what was the purpose. There had to have been a purpose for them to do this. It made no sense to me. So over time, I stressed out and thought about it long enough to figure out that the purpose is in reversing the bag, which this is the Liz MCM reversible tote bag. So that then started to make sense to me. So this one is on the inside of the bag, so you can attach it and secure it. So when you reverse the bag, this becomes on the inside of the bag. So again, you can secure the bag. Okay, so the mystery has been solved of this annoying little clasp outside my bag. So let me go ahead and reverse this and I'll show you how that works. And this is probably the first time I've ever reversed this bag. One, it's new, and two, I love the MCM print. Okay, this is no joke. You will get yourself a nice arm workout. So, there's that. Okay, so there we have it. So now, as I just said, this was on the exterior of the bag. Now it's on the interior of the bag. Okay, so now I can easily clip the bag and it's on the interior. So now I can go ahead and cinch the bag. Okay, on that side. Again, on this side. Okay. And there you have the reason for the claw being on both sides of the bag. So you can cinch it if you wear your bag this way, or you can cinch it if you wear your bag the other way. Again, this is a new bag, so it's not as easily to manipulate the cinching, but over time, your bag will become softer, more malleable, and you will be able to cinch this so much easier. I know this because I have a few other bags, and over time, they really do soften up and are so, so nice. Like I said, when I first got my very first MCM bag, I had no idea how to cinch it, and I didn't know what this was for at all. So hopefully this video is helpful. Thanks again, Chrissy, for requesting this video. And Chrissy has her own YouTube channel, Chrissy B's Secret. So check her videos out after this one. And thanks so much for watching. If this video was helpful, please go ahead and like it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And I'd love it so much if you know someone this might benefit to share this video for them. Thanks again for watching. Till next time. Bye, guys.